and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have Ella
Hello.
on the vlogs.
I know.
And soon to be Katie as well, who you guys have met Katie before. She was in my Pride video, and today we are on our way to Montpellier, which is in France, to go and visit Katie. So you've seen a little, I'll insert the little travel montage bit now that we took before this. Vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Am I going to make it to the YouTube channel?
Am I making it to the YouTube channel? This is your debut. I'm so excited. We have just gone and I got a book about fast fashion, so I'll give you all my fast fashion tips. I'll give you my favourite page tip thing when we get the other side, when we get to the Airbnb. So we're staying in an Airbnb. So it's a Friday now and we're coming back on Sunday. So it's only like a little stop. We've just had a Waggers, which you would have seen, and yes, glorious. We've got literally 10 minutes until we have our gate and then we're going.
Then we're off.
Montpellier. Yeah. See you soon. Woo. Bye. I'm going to take this moment to appreciate how glam you look.
Oh, thank you.
Like, where's the outfit from?
I don't want to say, it's embarrassing.
Where's it from?
No.
Where's it from?
It's very cheap.
Where?
No.
I love it.
I don't want your viewers to think I'm cheap trash.
I am cheap trash. That's the channel.
To be fair, most of my stuff is from charity shops.
We love her.
We say yeah, it's good.
Yes.
It's sustainable.
We love sustainable. We made it through.
We got told off because we were wearing the wrong masks, which we didn't realise. But
So she made us go and buy new masks, and then the lady came around handing out these masks for free.
But we spent £3 on some disposable masks.
So we love that for us. Supporting Gatwick Airport every day. We're being a bit chaotic. The Wagamama's has gone to our head.
Amy broke the seat.
I broke the chair. Ella's got a reusable water bottle. It's a really fun time for everybody.
Yeah, it's great, but we're quite chilled out. We got
We're
on
so
early.
chilled.
It's
I've
all
brought a
good.
book. I already said that.
Yeah.
And now we're just waiting. There's an air hostess that may be hot, but we're unsure.
I think yes.
And that is the update.
Where's he gone? He's gone.
He's gone. No, he's gone. Bye. We are on a plane.
Yeah.
I got a window seat. Ella's got the middle seat.
Not out of choice.
Not out of choice. She was forced into that situation.
That's okay. I'll forgive you.
So, let's fly.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
We are here. We got through the taxi fine.
We made it.
It's really cute. So our Airbnb is actually back there, but the place we have to collect the keys is like a 10-minute walk. So we're walking there now.
Yeah. We've left stuff
Swanky though, doesn't it? We met Katie. She is holding the luggage for us. Yeah. And oh my gosh, I'll show you how swanky it looks. Cute montage of swanky France. We're in France. Oh my gosh, why is it the most beautiful place ever? Ella, can we actually go and have a photo shoot while we're here? I brought multiple outfits. Oh my gosh. I brought so many multiple outfits, but we actually, where's this literally on the doorstep? We'll come and do a photo shoot.
Just stand there, just
We love. Got the keys. That's actually relatively smooth. Now we're trying to walk back.
It was like a crystal maid. No, what's it called?
Yeah, crystal maid.
No, it's not. It's not. What's the word for that? Like a
escape room.
Escape room. Yeah.
In an escape room.
Like trying to get these keys.
But we have the code
we
already.
Had to find like a random place in the middle of nowhere.
Oh yeah, but we got it. Let's go back to Katie.
Yeah.
Drop off our things. Maybe go out and just get a little 7-Up.
a little. You know what
7-Up.
like you're doing? You sound like you're a secret alcoholic trying to hide it from your viewers.
Maybe we'll just get a 7-Up, guys.
Nudge, nudge. Actually not. I didn't mean that.
As you can hear by Katy Perry playing over the back, but do you want to talk loudly over so I don't get copyrighted? It's a really, really young youth area, which makes it feel really safe around here. Yay! Okay, so we'll go back to the Airbnb. I'll show you tomorrow a little accommodation tour.
Yes.
Love it. Bye. Okay, we've just got in. Katie, welcome to the vlog. She's really happy with the microwave.
I think this wine's for us.
It's wine. Look how cute this place is. Sorry, I'm really out of breath. I'm really sweaty. We just tried to get in the wrong apartment, but we're here now. Look how vibesy it is. We've got a little view. A little balcony. Okay, hold on. Let's try and find. Okay, more tour, everybody. What's in there? Come on, Ella. Show us. The vibesiest bathroom ever. How bougie. Oh my lord. Whoa, look at that wet room. Wow, look at the... That's going to be the title of the room. The title of the vlog. Wow, look at that wet room.
That's amazing. No, it's called a wet room. I'm not just describing it.
Welcome to the vlog.
I'm so excited.
Right, should we show the bedroom? Haven't seen the bedroom yet. We've just got a one bed. Katie may be sleeping on our chair. Well, I think it's a one bed. Well, there's more than one door. I'm going into this door. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's so cute in here as well. Someone's left us some skis. Don't think we'll need them, but cute.
Skis.
That's a closet. We don't need to look in there.
I'm so confused. Is this someone's house?
Have we broken in someone's house?
Is this someone's flat?
No, it looks the same as the Airbnb pictures. We're all good. What's in here? Okay, that's locked. That's not ours. Oh my gosh, so cute. They've left us some tea, coffee.
It's a microwave.
Explain why you want a microwave to the vlog.
In my uni accommodation. Oh my gosh. And I'm telling a story. Sorry. In my uni accommodation, there is no oven, there is no microwave, there is no kettle.
Are you going to be cooking here the whole time? When we go out for dinner, you can just sit here and cook for us.
You should just, could you stay here the whole time?
I'm going to end this segment of the vlog and we all just like, yay, France.
Yay, France.
Okay, so update on the plans. We're going to go to Katie's uni accommodation and get her some stuff so she can stay here with us for like a day or two. And then we're going to go into town and maybe get a drink or something.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So apologies to the camera quality because I'm filming on my front camera. And I'm going to get changed and we're going to go. Bye. Just a uni room tour.
Here
Here's the door, here's the bed, here is Katie and here's the desk. Woo! We have just stopped here from an Uber to get some stuff for Katie to come stay with us. We've had a tour around the uni and yeah. How are you feeling about France, Ella?
I'm so excited. I haven't been abroad in like years, so I feel like I'm like jumping about like, oh my god, look at that sign in French, like look at that road we're driving on the other side. It's so weird.
Katie, how do you feel about us being in France with you?
It's very exciting. Like you don't sound happy about it.
It's really exciting.
You sound a little bit more excited than we're here. I'm very excited. Yay.
Oh, the memes. There's a Mook Express for you guys.
What is that? It's McDonald's.
McDonald's from a hole in the window. Oh my gosh, sorry, I just need to film that. That's really enjoyable. We found our way into this cocktail bar. We're getting cocktails. We've got a lovely waiter who speaks American, which is great.
I love how that's
He's so cute. We're going to order some cocktails. Yay! We've got a cocktail. Cheers, everybody.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Okay, that's it for today's vlog. We are just going to chill now and then go to sleep. So I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you stay subscribed. I'm still going to upload these on schedule. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.